So today I'm breaking down whether LumaFusion is still the best mobile editing app and if it can really replace a desktop editor for creators. But before we go step by step, let me jump straight to the transformation moment most users don't even realize. If your timeline ever lags or clips feel choppy, there's one hidden feature in LumaFusion that instantly smooths playback, even on older iPads and phones. We'll get back to that in a moment. LumaFusion remains one of the most powerful mobile editors available. Multi-layer editing, precision trimming, advanced color tools, and pro-level audio control, all packed into a one clean interface. Recent updates make effects load faster, stabilization more accurate, and support more flexible, almost on the level of desktop software. Exporting is also much quicker now thanks to the advanced hardware optimization, especially on Apple devices with M-series chips. And if you edit for TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram Reels, the auto-format presets make switching aspect ratios nearly instant. But here's the hidden feature I mentioned earlier. Turning on performance mode inside the preview settings temporarily lowers visual quality, but dramatically boosts timeline smoothness. It's a game changer for anyone editing 4K on mobile. Is LumaFusion perfect? Not really. There's still no built-in cloud collaboration, and the learning curve can be steep for absolute beginners. But for solo creators who want desktop-level power in a pocket device, it's still one of the strongest options out there. If you want a simple walkthrough on how to set up your first LumaFusion project, drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creator-friendly reviews.